Do you know the most Irish place in the world that's not Ireland? Oh yes. It's a little island off the coast of Newfoundland called Fogo Island. And specifically, there's a fishing village called Tilting. It even has a sign saying Fáilte go Tilting, which means welcome to Tilting. It has the only Irish cemetery in the whole of North America and Canada. It's where Irish settlers have been since the 18th century. But not only that, it looks like Ireland, it feels like Ireland, and they speak like Irish people. They even have their own Gaelic dialect. In fact, I met some of these people while I was in Los Angeles. I really could not believe what I was hearing because I knew it was an Irish accent, but it didn't feel like an Irish accent I've ever heard before. And the reason why that is, the first Irish settlers were from areas such as Waterford, Wexford, Cork and Tipperary. And when I think back about what I heard in that accent, it definitely felt like an amalgamation of those. Newfoundland itself is very much connected to Ireland, not just this little hamlet on Fogo Island, but Newfoundland itself, 22% of population that claim Irish ancestry from there. There are Irish settlers dating way back even to the 16th century. Oddly enough, the place where Saint Brendan the Navigator supposedly founded was Newfoundland. It's a weird coincidence, isn't it? Newfoundland, but mainly Tilting, the little fishing village on the island of Fogo, is the most Irish place in the world, bar Ireland. Slán go fóill, Akara, and I hope to visit you someday.